Hi guys, Adrian here, and I'm on the Aussie US dollar 15-minute chart. I'm at this candle here, and at this point all signs and signals for entering a short trade have been met, and I've set my stop loss and my take profit target levels, and I'm now entering the trade. And now we can see our trades stop loss and take profit levels are set out here. And at this point, I am going to monitor the trade, so I'll be back a bit later to check on its progress. And now I'm back, and we can see the price has moved down, and it's just above my take profit level. So I'm going to just wait and see a bit longer. Okay, and I'm back again, and we can see that the take profit target's been hit. Nice profitable trade. We entered it here, at which point all my conditions for entering a trade had been met, and stayed in the trade until it hit my take profit target. And this trade occurred over just over 4 hours, from entry to exit, $1,880 profit. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, so on this trade we're on the Euro USD 15-minute, and I've just seen the signals line up to enter into a sell trade, and we see price has just moved below this resistance line here, and everything else is set up properly, and I have everything set up here to take my sell trade. So let's do that. Here I am. My stop loss is up here. I've got my target set. So let's give this trade a bit of space or room to breathe. I'll come back in a short while. Right, I'm back. It's been a few hours, but I see that price nearly came down or just nearly hit my take profit level, and then has bounced back and has retraced again back down towards my target level, and very close to that, still in a bearish direction. And I'm just going to wait for it to play out a little bit more. We're already in $1,000 profit, and let's just be patient here. Okay, I'm back again, and we can see that this trade has played out nicely, and it's been over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just over 6 hours, and we've made $1,410 off this trade. Very happy with that. Trade was never in any danger. Price went straight down, eventually hit our target. Excellent profit. Thanks guys for watching. Okay guys, I'm on the Euro USD 15-minute chart. I'm just about to enter a trade. I'm going to enter a sell trade. I've set my take profit target and my stop loss target at these levels. Ideally, I would have gotten in on the end of the long yellow candle. However, I'm close enough to that level, the close of that candle, to enter this trade now. I'm now expecting it to trail downwards, and I'll pause the video and we'll see how it goes from here. I'll be back shortly. Okay, and I'm back, and we can see that our target level has been hit. I entered it just a couple of candles prior into the trade, and that was for roughly 21 pips, $635 profit, and that was done within roughly 30 to 45 minutes. So I'm very pleased with that. It went well, and after entering the trade, once all our conditions, signals had been met, and everything lined up perfectly, it was quick and easy to get in and quick and easy to get out of. Happy with that one. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Speak to you again soon. Guys, I'm on the Aussie USD 15-minute chart, and I'm about to enter into a trade. You can see that one of my indicators, the red line, is in the right position, and I'm above the cloud and just over the resistance line, and let's enter this trade. I'm setting my stop loss under the most recent swing low and targeting at 1-to-1 and going in for the buy trade, and all my other indicators 1, 2, and 3 are in alignment. Here is my entry. There's my stop. There's my take profit. So all I have left now is to wait and see how this trade plays out. Alright, I'm back and we can see that the trade has closed. It hit our take profit target for $570 in profit, and that was a quick and easy trade, hit within 1.5 hours. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, and we can see on the chart we're on the pound USD 15-minute. Price is above the cloud and it's just closed above this resistance line here. We can see that each of our indicators below is telling us that we can go long. So we're going to enter a buy trade, and I've set my take profit target just underneath the nearest pivot line here, and my stop loss just under the closest support line, and we're in the trade for a 1-to-1 risk to reward. So let's see how this trade plays out. I'll keep monitoring the trade as we go. I'm back and we can see the price is heading up. I'm going to wait a little bit longer. And I'm back again and I've zoomed in a bit and we can see that we entered the trade here on this candle on the red line at that point there. And let me just delete this line. And we can see how the price went upwards, the trade played out. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, around 8 hours to play through. And we can see below here $2,705 profit. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, so we're on the pound USD 15-minute chart. And we are just on a new candle here, and all my conditions for entering a sell trade at this point have been met, and I'm looking forward to going short on this trade. Right, we've entered the trade, so nothing much more I can really do right here. I'll be back later to share more on this trade. I'm back, and I can see the price has moved down to this point here. I'm going to wait just a little bit longer. Okay, and I'm back, and you can see that I've made on this trade $2,425. I entered the trade at this point and exited at this point here, and we can see that price had trailed its way down. Our stop was never in any danger, having been trailed also, and then eventually hit our take profit level here. Of course, I'm very happy with that, and thanks for watching, guys. That was a successful trade. Guys, I'm on the Euro USD 15-minute time frame and I've just entered a trade. The candle was so before, and I saw that price had moved below the cloud. There was a red line moving downwards, one of my signals, and I set my stop loss up here just above the closest resistance line, and I've set my take profit just above the next pivot point down here for a 1-to-1 trade. I'm now expecting price to move downwards, and I'm already in $50 profit in this trade. Let's just keep monitoring it for a while. Alright, I'm back and I can see that price did move down. It nearly touched my target and then reversed. I see that circumstances have changed, and although I'm still in good profit here, I'm going to get out of this trade now. Okay, and I've closed the trade. We can see that the trade went well. I'm still happy with that, and we can see I've made well over $500 profit on this trade, and it didn't take long at all to play out, just a few hours. So very happy with that. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, and I'm on the pound USD charts, and I'm about to enter a sell trade. I've just had a signal, all the signals line up here on this candle, and I'm going to set my stop loss on my take profit. I'm going to set my stop far away, but just above this closest support line here, and just to begin with, I'm going to target just over or close to, rather, this resistance line. So just to bear with me a moment while I set my stop loss level. And there we go. And I'm going to take profit just above this line here. So let me set that. And we're going to enter a sell trade. So on the chart, we can see my stop loss and my take profit target levels. I'm just looking to have a quick trade on this one. So let's see how this goes. I'll be back soon on this pound USD 15-minute chart. And I'm back, and we can see that I'm still in the trade and I'm about $100 in profit. So I'll pause and come back shortly again. And I'm back, and we're just waiting for the line, and there we go. Target's been hit. Okay, and we've got the trade open. You can see we got into the trade, and we can see we entered here, exited there, and in just 45 minutes or so, we made over $440 profit. Excellent trade. Thanks for watching, guys. Hi guys, I'm going to enter a trade here. The price has crossed below the cloud. It's still a few candles after and very close to my closing price on the first candle, and all the indicators are in alignment. So I'm going to set my stop and I'm going to take profit. I'm going to set up a sell trade right now. So you can see right now I've got a high stop, and the stop loss is set quite high at this point. But let's just see how this trade goes. And we can see that price is getting close to this level here. Let's just wait and see. It's very close to that support level there. We're going to wait and see how it goes. Right, and now we can see that our price, we entered there, we exited there. Within the space of less than an hour, or just over an hour, we have $335 profit.